Hi, how are you doing? In this lesson, we'll be learning how to create like an animals learning app. When you click on it, it will say the name of the animal. So let us get straight into it. So first we need to add a background. Now we are done with the gradient. Now we need to add the design. So now you can see we're done with the design right here. Now it's time for us to add the code. So let's add it. Now you can see we're done with the code right here. Now it's time for us to test our app. So let's test it out. So now you can see we are viewing our app right here. Now if I just click like cat right here, it's taking a second to load it. Cat. I hope you heard that. Dog. Look at that. Mouse. Tiger. Elephant. Lion. It's coming, right? Cat. Dog. Mouse. And this is how it looks in my phone. Tiger. Elephant. Lion. So yeah, it's saying from Belman's or Belman's brand and the link to our website and my name. So yeah, that's it for this lesson about how to create how to create this app. And if you want to learn more about how to create these amazing apps, games, or anything else, then don't forget to subscribe to my classes. Thank you and bye bye.